I think we just found the best walking pad for under $1,000. I'm talking 400 bucks. Let's look at this product. Nice. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the merach NovaWalk W50 TrekPad. That's right, this is an indoor trek pad for walking that holds up to 400 pounds. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. This is the merach NovaWalk W50 TrekPad treadmill. Merach is all about democratizing fitness technology. They believe high-performance gear shouldn't come with a price tag. That's why the NovaWalk W50 TrekPad features a commercial-grade 3.5 horsepower peak power brushless motor while still staying budget-friendly. With guided interval workouts and gamified tracking, merach brings commercial fitness technology to your home because advanced fitness tech belongs to everyone. So why is it called a trek pad? Well, the trek pad signifies a walking pad engineered for enhanced durability and longevity, built tougher than a conventional walking pad and designed to withstand long hours of daily use. This is the best walking pad for under $1,000. Other walking pads can charge $800+ for basic features. The W50 gives you a real treadmill motor, incline, and heavy-duty design for under $400. Burn more calories in less time by increasing workout intensity. Walking on an incline can burn up to 30% more calories than walking on a flat surface. Build lower body strength by engaging key muscle groups like the glutes, hamstrings, and calves, helping to tone and strengthen with every step. And you can reduce the joint impact by making the incline walking a safer alternative to running or flat walking, so it's ideal for those with arthritis and recovering from injury. The tri-layer shock absorption system comprises of 4 rubber columns, 4 EVA foam pads, and 4 vibration dampening foot pads that effectively reduces joint strain and minimizes impact. The W50 runs on a 1.25 horsepower brushless motor with a 3.5 horsepower peak power, the kind that's usually found in full-size commercial treadmills. It supports speeds up to 4 miles per hour with a whisper quiet at below 25 decibels, making it ideal for home or office use. And the W50 can be run continuously for up to 10 hours without overheating. It's got a 400-pound weight capacity. It's built with durable industrial-grade steel frame and an extra-wide walking surface measuring 16.5 inches by 41.3 inches. The W50 offers significantly greater weight support and stability than most standard walking pads. This makes it especially friendly for plus-size users, delivering a smoother, more secure walking experience across a variety of body types. You can personalize your workouts by time, distance, or calories and choose from 15 built-in programs. With a magnetic remote control, you can snap it securely to the frame without risk of losing it. It's got a 15.8-degree inclined side foot bars with anti-slip texture, so it provides a safe and stable platform when you step off. Self-leveling, omnidirectional rear feet, it automatically adapts to uneven floors for flawless balance. Plus, it's got leather-wrapped handles for a comfortable grip for lifting and removing without hand strain. The multi-layer self-lubricating belt reduces the need for upkeep so you can focus on your goals and not maintenance schedules. So the NovaWalk W50 has everything you need at the price you've been looking for. For around $400, you can completely compete with people for around $400, you're going to be able to compete with those $800 treadmills and from the comfort of your own home. Great job, merach. Merach has done it again. I've got to say, for this to be under $1,000 is crazy. The fact that all these competitors have $800 treadmills and walking pads, and this thing is just as strong, just as efficient, just as high quality for around $400? Mwah, mwah, mwah. As you know, we have worked with merach in the past, and their products have been fantastic. The fact that this holds up to 400 pounds means this can be with you through your entire weight loss journey. But we want to give a huge shout out to merach for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.